Hey crafty friends, and happy Friday. It's Hannah at the Doodlebug in Jasper, Indiana. And today on our What's New, I'm thinking I may have saved some of the best stuff for last this week. Today's live is not going to be a super long live because one, it's Friday. Two, tomorrow we have a huge Copic boot camp class, so I need my classroom space and can't spend all day pulling tons of orders, and hopefully we'll be busy tomorrow as well since it's Saturday. But I have good stuff for you. What are you going to get today? So today I've got a little bit of picket fence. I've got an amazing 49 and Market bundle. It is part of the AIR class that we are doing with 49 and Market and the Evergreen season. So I've got those bundles in to show you guys. That comes with over 40 classes. So I'm going to talk about that. And then one thing you guys have been waiting for, the brand new washi tape from AALL Create. So I've got the Christmas washi tape here as well. And I've also got a small Katie Sue order too. So all kinds of great things in today's live. So yeah, I can't wait to show you guys. And we got some people joining on. Oh, like my green shirt. Well, I normally don't do sleeveless, but it's just been so nice out and I didn't want to do long sleeves. So I need to start like working out a little bit. So when I show my shoulders, it looks a little better. So, all right, everyone. And Shannon, yes. Now, Shannon, we will ship your stuff very soon. Spellbinders orders should be in, but a lot of things we were down to like 1s and 2s on. And a lot of times I will charge you guys before your order is completely complete because I don't want it to sell out online because then you got to wait even longer for it to be restocked and that's no fun. So, all right, broke, well, you know, yes, here we go. All right, so we're going to start with picket fence first. So picket fence, they have started to do these stinking cute little nibbles. All right, they're a small little die. We cut all of these with our Scout from Spellbinders. So this would fit into my smaller die cut machine. Watching from the Evansville airport. Oh, waiting on your hubby. I thought maybe you were going somewhere fun, but yes, he was out of town. I forgot. So this little nibbles, this one is the Happy Mushroom. So it creates this stinking cute little mushroom. Look at that. I do have some samples with these too. So we got the Nibbles mushroom die. This next one, oh, I have a sample of him. Look how adorable this guy is. This one is the acorn. This is the Thankful Acorn. And you can see everything you're going to get in this one. I really like this is a 2-part layering die. So you don't have to set it back in, which is really nice. So it creates this big solid piece that's got like these little guides so you know where to line it up. And then this one is the outline to create that adorable little acorn hat. Then all the fun little mushrooms in there and leaves that come with it. Then we also got in the Candy Ghost as well. And then I've got this cute little one already cut out as well, so you can see how adorable that is. Laura, one of our new Doodlebug girls, she got to spend a little time today learning how to use a die cut machine. So she got to put these together back here and got real familiar with die pick tools. And I taught her how to use the adhesive that you put on back of the paper, your double-sided adhesive, those nice big rolls that I call toilet paper. That way you don't have to try to glue all this little bitty stuff down. Candy Ghost for Miss Debbie, you've got it, my friend. And then the other day, I'm going to check my list first, but I know we had those Bella Boo stamps from Picket Fence. Their dies just came in as well. So I've got those in now for you guys. So that was our little bitty Picket Fence. That was some back ordered stuff. Next up, we've got our Air Bundle. So this little guy here, we've got classes that start with this. Let me see when it starts. You can't get in. They will start posting Saturday, August 31st. All right. So like August, so September, October, November, usually there's at least 3 months that we have all these classes that post with this. And for 65, okay, just 65 bucks, you get all the classes and all this stuff. You get over $65 worth of product in here, just so you know. First of all, you get this exclusive, can't buy it anywhere else, 49 in market bag. It is beautiful, and it even says exclusive for air stores, which I think is just so stinking cute. So stinking cute and cool. I tried to combine that into one, cool. So we've got this beautiful little canvas tote from 49 in Market. Then you're also going to get a 6x8 pad in there. You're going to get 2 different packs of flowers in here that match the line. You're going to get the mini laser embellishments. You're also going to get a pack of rub-ons. This is a 4-pack, and this is an exclusive pack of rub-ons. You can see it's the Air Evergreen Season Pack, so that's an exclusive one. You're going to get a pack of chipboard in here, and you're going to get a collection kit too. And again, whenever you get the bundle, you're going to get access to an exclusive Facebook group. And then every store that's participating in this, and I'm just one of the 40-some stores, we all will be presenting projects in that group September, October, and November. Usually 3 classes, I think, drop a week. And then you just pick and choose the ones that you want to do. And usually what I even do too is I just use them for great ideas. I may not make the project using this line, but I may pick a fall line and turn it into a fall project. So it's just a great wealth of information too. Oh, and Sarah is saying that she signed up last year and it was awesome. She used many of the classes throughout the year on non-Christmas makes. See, exactly. There's just so many cool things. And I've seen some of the girls' projects already. They are like on it. Me, I will be turning mine in like the day of. I've got ideas what I want to do, but I have not executed those ideas yet. All right, moving on to the moment we've all been waiting for. We have got the brand, this is why I came on late today, because I had to go through and I had to make all my samples real quick for you guys, because you can't tell what this is when I show it to you. So, all right, from AALL Create, we have beautiful new Christmas washi. This one right here, there's 5 new ones. So if you just need them all, are the classes available for an unlimited time? Yes. Well, I shouldn't say yes. I think they leave that class up for like a year and a half, something like that. So that group is up for a year and a half, which gives you plenty of time to download all of the instruction sheets and things like that. All right. You want all the new. You've got it. Each of the ones that are new, everything I'm going to show you today, I'm only showing you the new ones. So we have got the little dog ones here. This is number 109. The bear one, which is 110. The bunny rabbit one, which is 111. This one is just kind of a cute little stack of Christmas presents, which is 112. And then 108 are the cats. So cute. So again, we've got dogs, bears, bunnies, presents, cats, or 5 new ones if you just want it all. I know, I love all the hearts that are coming. Yes, it is so good. So much good stuff. All right, so that went really quick because I had all the samples done for you guys. How fun was that? But I ordered a bunch, friends. I have learned. So I didn't get like 3s and 4s. I did like 10s because I knew that this was going to be a good one. So again, this is 108, 109, 110, 111, and 112. Okay? All right. They are so easy. They're so much fun. I love them. They're so cute. And I did like this one is even on cream. It looks great on cream. They're so fun. All right. Next up, Katie Sue. So I have got 5 new Katie Sue small little sheets here. These are the ones, I believe you get 3 in this pack. I'm going to verify that one. But this one is called Busy Penguins. So you get these super cute little penguins on here. And I'm looking 1, Yes, you've got 3 sheets of Busy Penguins in here. It's the exact same ones, but you're going to get 3 of each in here. They're going to make the cutest little cards. You've got lots of room on here too, to where you could do sentiments on here as well. You could do all kinds of fun stuff with this one. So Busy Penguins. Now the next one are lots of snowmen. So we're going to need to use the and on this one, okay? So the first one is snowmen and presents, all right? This one here, again, is going to have 3 of the same thing in it. And you can see you've got a Mr. and Mrs. here. You've got a snowman and a little girl that's building her. So this is snowmen and presents, and it's got this great oval already cut out too. So it's already its own little card front, which is beautiful. And you've got a few little tags down here you can add sentiments on. Got a few penguins going. Perfect. Thank you. Next one we've got is so we did snowmen and presents. Next one is snowmen and woodland friends. Okay. The new one of each of the new ones. You got it, Miss Sharon. So this one is snowmen and woodland friends. So you can see great ovals here again on these. And you've got him with the little deer. And look at all the fun stuff to pop. Love that. Oh, and look, I'm like, where the heck is that? You get some extra elements in here as well that you can use on here or on something else. But you've got this where he's in his bag getting presents for all his little woodland friends. This one is snowmen and birds. So you've got a little feed the birds here. And then here he is. I don't see a bird on that one. It doesn't matter. This one is and the birds. But really cute. And again, you've got some extra elements as well. And then we've got snowmen and sleigh. So you've got the little sleigh here, little sleigh there. And again, each of these are going to have 3 sheets in them. So each sheet makes 2. So you're going to get 3 of each image, 6 total card fronts. Diane just wants all of them. Perfect. I will go through and get all of those pulled tomorrow for you guys. Perfect, perfect. And then 3 last little ones. I shouldn't say little because these are absolutely beautiful. I shouldn't play them off like they're nothing. This is some of those great card making kits. These are going to do nativity scenes. It makes 12 cards. And are those not stunning? I know a lot of times you guys are telling me that, you want more religious and faith-based ones. And these are absolutely beautiful. Checks all those boxes. Jen's already jumping on. She wants one. They're beautiful. So pretty. Your cards and envelopes are in there as well. Well, actually, they make the card, but your envelopes are in there as well. So pretty. Then we've got, I know some of you have been asking if I'm going to get this one. This one is the Christmas gnomes. So we've done a few different gnome kits now with her that she has done. And this is the Christmas gnomes kit. No scissors required at all. So stinking cute. So fun. And they're like little snow globes. And you can see on the back there. You've got it, one of the gnomes. Perfect, perfect. And then our last little one for our live today. This is another one of those little decoupage or 3D toppers, however, paper toll. It's got so many different ways to describe it, but this is some of those layering ones. These guys are always so fun because 1, they're individually bagged. 2, they're already separated and punched out for you. And they've already been glittered for you too. And this one is called Lantern and Animals. And you've got penguins, you've got owls, you've got a squirrel, you've got little winter birds with hats, you've got a little fawn, you've got some more winter birds with hats. Here's another little deer there. That one's not a fawn though. He's got little horns on him. They're not horns, antlers. I'm a country girl. I know they're not horns. My gosh, my grandpa probably just rolled his eyes in his grave at me for doing that. A little polar bear and another fun little squirrel. I think that one's actually a chipmunk. Again, I am a country girl. I know the difference between my little pesky rodents. These are the ones that throw acorns all over my yard. These are the ones that chew up my wiring. There we go. That's what those are. So we got lantern and animals. And that's it. Last one, friends. How quick was that for our live? But holy cow, such good stuff. So if you jumped on late, I mean, it's going to be an easy one to replay for my friend Rhonda Rye, who, you know, she usually does her exercise running while I'm on. I don't know if you're just going to have to make it a short run tonight or what, Rhonda, but we started out with picket fence with these super cute little nibblers. Then we had our 49 and Market Air exclusive bundle that a lot of the air stores are taking part in. And that gets you great product, first of all, but it gets you access to amazing classes as well, too. How much are the manger cards? I will have to look that up. Honestly, I just received this, so I would have something to show you guys today because we were doing training and pulling the live from yesterday. Usually, I think these are around 20-something. They're in the 20-somethings. But yes, I can answer that later whenever I look it up. I don't know offhand. I don't remember. And then we had all the new AALL Create washies, 5 brand new ones. Yes, check online. I know you are so good about that. But these are nativity scenes, and I'm going to kind of scroll over that so you can see the item numbers there, Sharon. And then there's the item numbers for the gnome ones. They should be pretty much the same on that. Product last Sunday. Well, yeah, I mean, depends on what you brought, though. You may have other things you did not get in there because there's a bunch of exclusive kits in there, Cheryl. So I don't know. And I know we have sent emails about those as well. So yes, that is a great bundle, but I know I've got some people that have done the bundle and additional stuff because they know they're going to need more stuff with the classes as well. So washi, and then all these great little Katie Sues. All right. And that's the end of our week, friends. So we have had an amazing week here. This is our first, first official week in August. What a great week of lives it has been. Still got boxes up front that I'm still working my way through, getting them all checked in for you guys. I know we just did a little lawn fawn order today. A lot of that was special orders, but we'll get that shown. And then also today, one of the things I don't normally show as we restocked all of our Copics as well today too. So that order got done today too. So that way we've got all the Copics that we need for tomorrow's Copic boot camp class that Rita is teaching, which we have one spot left for. So if you're feeling spontaneous and you want something to do tomorrow and you want to improve your coloring skills and you want to learn more about Copic and you just want to hang out with other crafty people and me tomorrow, sign up, let me know, and we will snag that one last spot for you. And until then, or if not tomorrow, if you're not in or you don't take the class tomorrow, until next time we will see each other, we'll be on Tuesday, my friends. And next week will be kind of a busy, crazy week again. No, Janet, it is not by video. Rita is really hands-on, and just the way she teaches and shows things, we haven't been able to figure out how to do it online since she spends so much time going around individually, working with individual students, things like that to try and she doesn't just stay underneath the camera the whole time. So to try and manage a Zoom class and a class, we have 11 people signed up. So it's a good size coloring class for what she's doing tomorrow. So it is not by video. Not yet. We've talked about it. We've played around with the idea, but Rita's teaching style is just a little different. So I think there would be so much downtime in the videos for you guys. I'm not for sure how it would work. So not that we're don't have it in the back burner, but we're just not there yet. So until Tuesday, my friends, I am Hannah at the Doodlebug in Jasper, Indiana. I hope you guys have an amazing, amazing weekend. I hear we're supposed to have some beautiful weather here in Indiana. So hopefully wherever you are, it's nice to where you can enjoy it too and make some great memories. And then I will see you Tuesday. Thanks, crafty friends. Bye.